If you're dealing with gnats, our friends with Mosquito Joe can help you. This morning we have owner and CEO Gail Young with all the information you need. Gail, it's good to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Yeah, okay, so let's start out. You guys started out focusing on mosquitoes, obviously, but that ventured into gnats. How did you guys get there?
Yes. So when we first started, we've been around for 10 years. Everybody kept saying, if you can get rid of my gnats, we're there. Like that. We get rid of the mosquitoes and then they go, yeah, but we still have gnats. So about 4 years ago, I started experimenting with a natural product. It's a granular you put on the grass, and then we spray it in with what's called an IGR. It just helps break that life cycle. And we tested it on a couple of select yards. It was very effective. So 2 years ago, we started letting all the customers try it out, and it's been very effective. And
so gnats, as we know, like they're just annoying, period, but they also come with some pretty bad stuff potentially too, right?
They can. It's mostly with animals. They can spread stuff because what they're doing is they're picking up anything that's like mucusy, so you'd like your eye mucus, or if you had a little cut, they're gonna feed on that and they can spread stuff around.
Yeah, so we want to get rid of those guys 100%, and you can help. Let's talk about first some tips you guys have on keeping gnats out of the home and outside of the yard. What kind of tips do you have for our viewers at home?
One of the biggest things I have to get on to our lawn people all the time: do not blow the leaves into the wooded areas. It builds up big piles and they love all that organic material. So we like our lawn people to mulch it back into the grass, especially in the fall when you have that big buildup. So reducing leaf litter, making sure your grass is cut, you don't get the big clumps. Those are your two biggest helpful things.
Yeah, for sure, and things that you can do every time you cut your yard, or if you hire someone to cut your yard, something to keep in mind. Also, you say picking up animal matter can help too.
Yep, for sure.
Yeah, a few things to keep in mind as you prep your yard for the rest of the summer and eventually the fall. For folks who are interested in getting you guys to come out and help control the gnats in their yard, how often do you recommend you guys coming out?
So for the gnats, it's a quarterly program. You can get it more often since it's a natural product, but most yards we can do it every quarter. Just come out and take care of it.
And good to know. Obviously, you help with mosquitoes right now too.
Yep.
All right, well, it works all the same. We've done a couple interviews with you guys, so you can learn more about the services they offer on our website, fox10tv.com, under the Studio 10 tab. Gail, if someone's watching this morning and they're thinking, I need them to come yesterday, how do they get in contact with you guys?
They can call or text the office. It's 251-272-4950, or mosquitojoe.com, and you'll have to put in your zip code, but it'll get you to us, our location.
Right. And we will have a link to their website on ours, fox10tv.com. Thank you so much.
Thank you.